Okay, welcome back again. Let's go to number 15. We have given that sine into bracket x minus 46 degree is the same as what? For 62. We have to find the value of what? X. This, we can solve this using the complementary angles of what? Trigonometric what? Ratio. If I have the sine of x minus 46 degree equal to the cos of 62 degree, before I can solve this, both sides of the equal sign I have the same trigonometric what? Ratio. So I can change this to become sine or change this to become what? A cos. Using the complementary identity. You want to know what the complementary identity is? Check the playlist for trigonometric what? Tutorials. Almost 80 something episodes. You can get your part out there. So this means that the sine of x minus 46 degree the same as the sine of 90 minus 62. This is the complementary angle of 4 cos. This value is the same as this. If you want to be sure, just for your calculator, type in cos 62 and find the answer. Find sine 28. You get the same answer. So this is a complementary word angle. So that means I now have the same sign on both sides. So I can divide by the sign. So I'm left with only sine 46 equals to what? 28 by that subtraction. That means x equals to 28 plus 46. So if you add this, as we are having, this is 60, 70, we have 74. The x is not a value of angle, so 74 as your answer. So cross-checking the options, our option is going to go for the option word C at 74. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and come back for question 15.